Hey, so today's the first day of the Dirty Elephant photo shoot. Everybody, I want you to guys come on and check it out. Have a nice time. We got a real hot model. His name is Shane. He's about to set it off. Come on.
I got a bad bitch and she feisty. Red bottoms on, no Nikes. I'm a Aries, she a Pisces. We fuck, clean it up with a white tee. And she don't wanna be no wifey. I'm a dub, she a dime piece. She never wore the same clothes twice.
Oh, you know what? These are my exclusive events girls. You know, they cool the top notch. Okay, y'all, I gotta go back outside.
Hi, I'm Keela from Exquisite Events. We just finished setting up this beautiful photo shoot for Sequoia and her new clothing line, Dirty Elephant. Check her out, thedirtyelephant.com.
I'm Chance, I'm a recording artist, but today I'm here for my little brother.
Hey man, take this
You
out.
know
No
what I'm
plugs,
saying?
no plugs, man. Watch out, this is my show.
I'm here. You know, that Just Live album, August 13th. Just Live the Party, August 10th. Dirty Elephant coming. Introducing Safe Shane.
Dirty Elephant.
And we out here.
I'm regardless what it is. The first photo shoot. First official photo shoot.
And it's hot as hell.
Yeah, it's burning up. I'll probably look really
Man.
black. So, use that.
Look.
Get the homegirl though. She came out to support. That's how I really dress right there, everybody.
I'm out here supporting my girl Sequoia, her Dirty Elephant line.
I'm out here on a job, you feel me? I ain't getting paid for this, but I better get paid for this. Long term. I'ma fuck Keela up. Cause she just dropped the sticker in the water and I only had 2. Black and red. Now it's not gonna stick. Keela, for real?
This one.
Doing good.
It's feeling good, you know, on this Dirty Elephant set. You know,
Some fly clothing.
yeah. I've known Koya for a while. She's a good friend of mine. So it's good for me to support her. For my little brother out here.
Get some new summer gear.
Get some new summer gear.
New dirty.
We on out here, Orange County. You know, we do it all over. I'm Chance, by the way, this Shane. And we just living out here.
Alright, Chance. Are we gonna kill this thing or are we gonna shoot?
Yeah, we gotta just shoot. No, we gonna kill it. No, from LA, moved to Orange County. No problems here now. The only problem I got is this damn wasp trying to kill this Dirty Elephant shoot. What the hell we gonna do? I ain't got no shooters here, but I gotta kill this damn wasp.
That's a wrap. I want to thank everybody for coming out today to the first photo shoot of Dirty Elephant. Check us out, thedirtyelephant.com. You can also follow me on Twitter, Ragazza, R-A-G-A-Z-Z-A. And you can also follow the Instagram at Sporco Elefante. And, you know,
You can also have me on Instagram, Safe Shane. S-A-I-F, S-H-A-N-E.
Alright, first of all, you know, I need a whole.
oh my God.
Oh my god.
We
It's
ready
a wrap.
to go. Don't nobody got
It's a
time for
wrap.
this.
You can follow me on Instagram, Chance. Don't forget my album coming soon. It's my first time being the manager today. You know, thanks for having me on board. You know, with the Dirty Elephant Get Down and whatnot. Big things coming from this young lady. Watch out. It's gonna be a big company and the new Calvin Klein model coming soon, ladies and gentlemen.
And that is the wrap.
Your body's perfect, girl. I like to see you work it. Grinding it and winding it, girl. Them hips just won't stop. Twerking, twerking, yeah. Twerking, twerking.